Okay, we are doing the last page in workbook 3, mathematics. So at the top it says order the pictures. Okay, we have 4 pictures over here and we have words at the top. So it says first, second, third and fourth. You need to look at these pictures and decide which picture happens first, which picture happens second, which picture happens third, and which picture happens fourth. Okay, and you're going to write the words at the bottom of each picture. So let's have a look at the pictures. Here's a boy and he's got some corn that's cooked, ready to eat. This one is the boy planting a seed into the ground. Here is a large corn plant. And here's a small plant being watered by the boy. Okay, so if you have a look, you find which picture is first. You write the word first underneath the picture that comes first. Then have a look which one is second and write the word second underneath. Have a look which picture you think is third and write the word third underneath. And have a look which is the last picture in the story and you write the word fourth underneath. Okay, if you need some time to complete that, just quickly pause the video and write in your answers. Then we're going to move on. Okay. There is a picture and it says connect the dots from 1 to 20. So you need to look at your picture and you need to find the number 1. Okay, and then you draw a line from number 1 to number 2 and then to number 3 and then to number 4. And you go all the way around until you end at 20. Okay. Once you've completed your picture, I want you to color it in, please. Then we're moving on to workbook 4. Okay, workbook 4. So you need to find your workbook 4 and we're doing the first page in workbook 4. Okay, at the top it says my name. My name is, and there you can write your name down. Okay, let's start. Complete the following by adding on. Now can you remember what adding on means? Okay, adding on means plus. Plus, you can see the arrow is going to that side, which means plus. Alright, this one says add on 2. So you need to look at each of these numbers and plus 2 and write the answer at the end. So this is going to be 5 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 12 plus 2, and 15 plus 2. Okay, you are allowed to use something to help you if you need to use an abacus or a number line or some counters just to add your numbers on. Okay, next one says add on 3. That means plus 3. 7 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3, and 17 plus 3. Okay, and in the last line, it says add on 4. So there you need to plus 4. 3 plus 4, you write the answer. 5 plus 4, 15 plus 4, and 19 plus 4. Okay, you can quickly do those answers. And then we're moving on to the next one. The next one says, how many tens? Alright, in class, we did a lot of activities with tens. We used blocks and we stuck 10 blocks together to make one group of 10. We call it 1 10. In this picture, they've used pencils, if you look carefully. They've taken 10 pencils and they've made them into a bundle. And another 10 pencils into another bundle. Okay, you don't need to try and count each pencil. We know that there's 10 in each group. Okay, So there are 4 tens, 4 groups of 10 over here, and you need to say how many pencils in total. That means you will be counting in tens. Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, and you write your number over there. Okay, 40. 4 tens is equal to 40. Next one, 6 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 tens is equal to 60. Okay, here's only 1 10. So we're only going to say 10. And you're going to write your number 10 over there. Okay, the next 2 I want you to do by yourselves. I'll just tell you there's 9 tens. You count in tens and you write the number there. And 7 tens. You count in tens as you touch each bundle and you see how many pencils there are in total. Okay. Next one, count in 5s to 50. So they've given us hands because in each hand you have 5 fingers. Alright, so you start by 5 and you write the numbers underneath. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. Moving on to the bottom one. Okay. Problem solving. Now, problem solving means it's a little story that we read and we need to answer the question in the story. Okay. Draw a picture and write a number sentence. So there's 2 things we need to do here. You have to draw the picture and you have to write the number sentence. Alright, a number sentence is a sum. A plus or a minus, sum. Okay, let's go on. The teacher gave Sherry 5 pencils. Okay. Then she lost 2 pencils. How many pencils are left? Okay. So we start at the top so that we know what we need to draw. The teacher gave Sherry 5 pencils. What are you going to draw? Yes, 5 pencils. So here at the bottom, you draw your 5 pencils. Okay. Then she lost 2 pencils. Now think carefully. If she lost them, do we plus 2 more pencils or are we going to take away 2 pencils that she lost? Okay. So either you're going to draw 2 more if you think she's got 2 extra, or you're going to cross out 2 of your pencils because they are lost. Okay, yes, you have to cross them out. Then it says how many pencils are left. So you can count how many pencils you have left, but we're not done yet because we have to do a number sentence. Alright, so we look at our numbers again. We had a 5 and a 2. Are you going to say 5 plus 2? Or are you going to say 5 minus 2? Yes, it's a minus because she lost those pencils. So here next to your pictures, you're going to say 5 minus 2. And you're going to write your equals and your answer. Okay, and remember to also write your answer in the little bubble. Alright, those are our 2 pages for today.